So this is my brand new Louis Vuitton Twist West pochette, and it's in the color white. It's part of the nautical collection for 2024 summer. And wow, I'm just really admiring the craftsmanship of this bag. As you can see, there is a wave, a very subtle wave at the bottom. Right away, I can tell you that this bag feels very substantial. Wow. And this leather quality is impeccable. I wish that you could feel it. So inside it comes with 2 straps. There is a leather adjustable crossbody strap with gold hardware. And then we also have a gold chain. Very interesting detail on the chain. I noticed that this is similar to the design of the other Twist handbags. It has this notch here in the chain link. Very nice. So we'll set this right here for now, and let me continue to show you the features of the bag. We move on to the inside now. Louis Vuitton is including these little tags, which I really like. And if you look at the inside, there's also a inner credit card slot, and we have the iconic Twist mirror. If we look closely on the lock, you'll see that LV is etched into the lock mechanism. A fellow YouTuber named Kassia featured the twist and the origins of this beautiful lock on her channel, so I'm going to leave the video in the description and you guys can check it out. I love her channel, by the way. So going back to the Twist bag, it has 2 D-rings on the sides here. And you can wear this as a crossbody, as a shoulder carry, or just simply as a clutch. And that's really why I purchased this bag. By the way, this is the bag beside an ivory white pillow. So in terms of the color white, this is a true white. And if you look very closely at the epi leather, you can see that there's almost like a hint of gray. And I just believe that that's part of the coating, or that's just how Louis Vuitton does the epi leather, but it's a white bag, okay? I am just really loving this bag. I can already picture holding on to it at a wedding or at a dinner and having it neatly folded underneath my arm. I also thought this bag was going to be smaller than it was, but when I tried it on in the store, it actually fits all of my essentials quite perfectly, including my phone. So next, we're gonna go to what fits in this bag. Okay, so I'm back with a few different sizes of SLGs to try. So I have the YSL compact wallet. I have a Louis Vuitton business card holder and the YSL 5-slot card holder. This one is a little bit longer and I think it would be perfect to fit inside this bag. I have my Louis Vuitton 6-key holder as well, along with a couple of lip products and my AirPods, of course. Keep in mind that I plan to use this bag for formal occasions, although it can be worn casually because you do have the crossbody strap, which makes this bag so versatile. I think it's just such a smart bag, so here we go. So first, let's see if a wallet will fit. Okay, so it fits horizontally, but there is a little bit poking out. Oh, look at that. Well, it does close. So, ooh, but it does make a small indentation here because of this metal part. So that's something to keep in mind. So I won't use this with this bag. I think I would rather opt for a business card holder or a card holder instead. So let's try the Louis Vuitton business card holder. And that fits no problem. If I want to fit my keys, will this fit? I'm also using this as a wallet right now, so it's a little bit more bulky than usual, but that does fit. And we have AirPods right here. No doubt about that fitting. I'm gonna try to put a lip product in here. This is a Chanel lipstick. Okay, and that's not too bad. So we have your wallet, your keys, AirPods, and a lipstick. You have a little bit more room right here, so perhaps if you want to fit a mini perfume or some other toiletries, you could. I'll be quite honest with you, this is normally what I fit in my bag day to day anyway. I really don't carry too much if I'm just going out and running errands. Now, I'm also going to show you that a phone should fit in here, so let me go get my phone. Okay, so I have my phone here. This is the iPhone 14. And there you go. You still have lots of room for a bigger phone, so I trust that the Pro version will also fit. Then if I want to take my card holder, I can put that in here. I should still be able to fit the AirPods like so, but will my lipstick fit? Let's find out. Yes, it will. Ooh, something else to note is you still have some room here. Can I fit this in here? Wow. I don't know why I'm surprised, but I definitely am surprised. So that all fits, and it's very easy to see. Does it close? Yes, it does. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video of my brand new Louis Vuitton Twist West pochette. I highly recommend this bag. By no means is it affordable, but it's a lot more affordable than the conventional Twist West or the Twist PM or MM version. So if you really like the look and want something a little bit smaller, then definitely check this bag out. So until next time, take care.